Hello, it's the 5th of January 2019, it's our first vlog of the year and we're on the hunt for some rides. This is Coastersaurus.
Hey, hey, find me no love.
Hello, welcome to London. Yes, we're here in Hyde Park. We're at Winter Wonderland. It's the last weekend of the event and we're going to see if we can get Peter on Olympia Looping. We're starting off with a new coaster for Peter. We've ridden this a few times now, but this is the first time that Peter's actually been tall enough to get on it. And so, after weeks and weeks of him pestering us to bring him down here, let's see what his reaction is to his first ride. Hi, what are you about to get on?
Olympia Looping.
You excited?
Yeah.
Cool. Ready?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Daddy, oh my God.
Is it good?
Yeah, it actually froze on my face.
How was that, Peter?
Amazing.
Are we going to go back on?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go and try and get the front row?
Yes.
Cool, let's go. Yeah, that was really good, but it ain't half nippy when you're up the top of there. So after a bit of classic Schwatzkopf goodness, we're now going to get on an indoor Revachon spinning coaster, and we're heading over to Ice Mountain. Brilliant spinning coaster, that one. That was really, really good fun. Right, next ride. Peter's going on Circus because he's mad. That?
Yes.
Is it good fun?
Yes.
You're mad. That thing looked crazy.
I know.
Right, next up, it's a new ride for this year. It's a VR dark ride. This is Dr Archibald, Master of Time. So what do you think of Dr Archibald then?
That was really amazing.
Do you like that?
Yes.
That's your first time with VR, isn't it?
Yes. I never ever had VR and I've never seen so you get that type of experience.
Is that good fun then?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really good. I mean, I'm never a massive fan of virtual reality, especially with wearing glasses. It does very odd things to me. But that was really well done. did enjoy that. The outside of this thing is amazing, and the first part of queue just before you get on the ride, really, really well themed. Much better than I would expect from a travelling ride. That was great fun. Really, really good. So, what do you think of Dr Archibald then?
That was really good. VR was nice on that for once. Quite an interesting experience overall, yeah, good. And the queue line coming out, like that. Walking across the toadstools, trying not to get your feet wet.
Yeah, that was good fun, wasn't it? Yeah. It's now time for another coaster. This one is one of our favourites here at Winter Wonderland. We are, of course, talking about Mouse XXL. How much space have you got there?
I've got a lot of something.
Excellent.
Oh.
Well, Mouse XXL, here we go. Great coaster. Yeah, we all love Mouse XXL. Great coaster, that one. Really good fun. one last flat ride in before we call it a day. So we're going to head over to Snowjet and give that a go. How was that, Peter?
That was amazing.
That was crazy. Really, really good flight ride. That was our last ride, and it is now time for us to go. And so until next time, bye-bye. I hope you've enjoyed our video today. If you have, why not subscribe? Then you can be among the first to find out when we upload a new video. Also, if you head over to our Facebook page, you'll be able to find photos and more information of the stuff that we get to on our park visits. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.